Hello everyone, I'm coming back to you with my Walmart household HBA haul. This was a big one for me. I picked up 13 items in this transaction, so it was pretty large for me. But I did at the end have issues with coupons. So I'll tell you that at the end, and I have one clearance find, and I will reveal that one at the end. So let's go down, and let me tell you what I paid for it and what coupons I used. I'll put all the information where the coupons were found in the description box in the end total, because I don't want this video to be too long. Okay, so I picked up the Airwick 1-count warmer. There was a coupon to get one free, so I picked that up. And the Airwick warmer was in my store $1.98, so the coupon did take away $1.98. Then I picked up the Airwick, I guess I call it like a Fresh-O-Matic, and that was $11.98, and the coupon I had was $6. Of course, that coupon is going to give you an issue because it's $5 over. I guess they have a threshold with coupons. And if it's $5 or more, they have to call over associate to get it approved. So that was one of my issues. Then we're going to use the plug-in last, and I'll tell you about that. What happened with that one. Then I picked up, what's the NC? I think it was the Dove Men, which was $6.97. I had a $2 coupon that went through okay. Then I picked up the big shavers, the EasyRinse, one men and one women. Those were $6.92. I didn't have any coupons, but Ibotta was giving you back $5 on each one. The band Solid was $2.67. Ibotta was giving you back $2. The men's degree and the women's degree, those were $5.78. I used a coupon on coupon.com app for $4 off of 2. Then the Genexa was $6.97, and there was no coupons on it, but Ibotta was giving you back I'm trying to think, was it Ibotta? Yeah, it was Ibotta, because I did a lot of Ibotta deals. Ibotta was giving you back $2.50 and then $5, so you got double attachment, all of that. So that made that absolutely free. Then I picked up, the Arm & Hammer toothpaste, the Complete Care. Those were $3.98. And I'm going to give the Arm & Hammer, because I think that was my last deal. The Arm & Hammer, Ibotta was giving you back $1.50 on each one. Swag Bucks was giving you $3 off of 2. And Checkout 51 was giving you 87 cents off of each one. So those made those 11 cents each. Okay. Then my Tena. They're the large underwear Tena. And I found these on clearance for $7.68. Well, I wanted to see if they had any Ibotta rebates, and of course they did. So on the Tena, I got $4 back from Ibotta, and then on coupons.com, I got $3 back. So that made that total of $7. So those Tena briefs cost me 68 cents. Now the Airwick, the double pack, the one with the oil and warmer pack. I wanted to see if that free coupon would work on it. So, hey, you don't know unless you try. So, I just wanted to see if it worked on it. Of course, it did not work. So, again, I have to call and associate to get this off of my, to take it off, right? Because I wasn't going to get it, you know, because the coupon didn't work, so I wasn't going to get it, and there was no really rebates back for it. So she had came over 2 other times. So when she came over the 3rd time, the same lady, she's like, I said, I wanna, and then she just started putting in her number, flipping a badge to the screen and putting the number in, and she goes, here you go. I'm like, I didn't even get out. The coupon does not work. I want to take this off. I didn't even get it out. She just came up and said, like, I swiped the badge, put a number in, put $2.09 in there, and said, there you go. I was like, okay. So that Airwick was, I think it was, let me find it, was $3.78. She took off $2.09. So that made that $1.69, I think, for the refill and the warmer. So that was in my favor. So what I ended up paying was, for all of 13 items, my total came down to $58.32 plus my tax. What I got back in rebates was Ibotta gave me $37.50. Swag Bucks gave me $3. Fetch gave me 18 cents. Shopkicks gave me $6.60, and that was for the degrees. And I think something else, I don't remember, but coupons.com gave me $7. And Checkout 51 gave me $1.74. So all my rebates back gave me $56.02. So that left my final cost total $2.30 for 13 items. I had issues, but it worked out in the end. So I'm thankful that for all the almost $60 worth of stuff cost me less than $3. Oh, and also, when I was walking around the laundry area, they had a table set up and they were giving out freebies. I don't know if your store does this, but I got free Persil sample, a free Snuggle sample, and then $2 for per sale, and that was absolutely free. Just they had a table set up in a laundry care item, the laundry care aisle. So, you guys, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, I have all the information down in the description box if you want to go out and get these deals with the rebate apps before the weekend warrior. Tomorrow is the last day, and maybe I'll help you out. That's all I have for you today. Talk to you later. Bye.